Well, here we are, the pond at night, and the fishes are way down at the bottom. As a lighting, I am using LED lantern. Here's my little aquaponic. There's supposed to be some peas growing in there. This is the night pond. And here we go. Walking around. There's our favorite ginkgo biloba. Here is some pepper that smells like sassafras. Rosemary is doing pretty well. Let's go toward the jungle. Here is the 4 o'clocks, blooming at night as usual. Another rosemary, goretia. Some kohlrabi. And here is my fuzzy squash plant. Just about to cover the entire half of the garden. Tomato plant. Oops. Fuzzy squash. Next bed. Here is that Korean melon. Very sweet. Just teensy tiny. Some lettuce. Not much of it now. Some more kohlrabis. Some Russian kale seedlings. Miserable garlic chives. Some more kohlrabis. And some broccolis. Oops. Not much of a broccoli.